इलेक्शन fears से एक clear buying opportunity create हुई, but which stocks should we be buying? Let's find out. The first company is HP Adhesives and it's trading at its lowest PE since listing. ये अपने top से 20% correct हुआ है and this fall has come with decreasing volumes. Technically, this is almost always a sign of profit booking, so the bull run should continue. Fundamentally, this company works in solvent cement, which is a product almost used universally in all forms of construction, including public infrastructure. So India में इसकी demand बहुत बढ़ रही है. इस प्रोडक्ट में HP Adhesives is a market leader, so we expect that a lot of that demand should fall in their bracket. At the same time, ये अपनी total capacity का सिर्फ 51% अभी यूज कर रहे हैं, so they have enough space to meet this demand. On top of that, HP Adhesives अपनी capacity बढ़ा रहा है, meaning the management believes that even double the production will not be enough, showing good signs for profit increases for the company in the future. I have a target of at least 5x to 10x for the stock from here, of course looking at a long-term horizon of 5 to 10 years, but this is a portfolio stock that I want to hold without thinking twice. Next is AMI Organics, and अगर मुझे chemical sector से एक company खरीदनी हो तो मैं AMI ही खरीदूंगा, with Archean being a close second. इसने recent stock market की fall में बिल्कुल भी participate नहीं किया था, and I believe there were two reasons behind it. First, इनकी manufacturing capacity बढ़ रही है, which has made almost all famous analysts become bullish on this stock. And the second and probably more important reason is that this company works in electrolyte additives. And outside of China, ये इकलौती company है जो ये manufacture करती है. Electrolyte additives are almost a must-have for almost all types of EV batteries. So इसका demand तो बढ़ना ही है. इंडिया में इनका इकलौता कंपटीशन कुड बी ईथर इंडस्ट्रीज जो इस मार्केट में भी घुस रहा है एंड आई डू लाइक दैट स्टॉक बट एट प्रेजेंट एटलीस्ट एमी ऑर्गेनिक्स इज डोमिनेटिंग दैट मार्केट. दिस मेक्स दिस कंपनी अ वेरी रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ लो रिस्क एंड हाई रिवॉर्ड. सो किसी के भी पोर्टफोलियो में एमी ऑर्गेनिक्स इज अ मस्ट हैव एटलीस्ट फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट इज इरेडा एंड अगर मुझे पीएसयू स्पेस से एक कंपनी पिक करनी हो तो मैं इरेडा को ही पिक करूंगा. ये अभी 36 टाइम्स की वैल्यूएशन पे ट्रेड कर रही है एंड दैट माइट साउंड एक्सपेंसिव फॉर अ पीएसयू कंपनी बट वी मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट इसने पिछले 2 सालों में अपने प्रॉफिट को डबल किया है. ये अपने लोन बुक को भी 3x करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अगले 5 सालों में एंड दैट सीम्स वेरी अचीवेबल. That would make the loan book at about 2 lakh crores, जिस पे इसका market cap should be at least 1 lakh crores. Now, why do I say that? See, when we compare IREDA's loan book to the loan book of SBI or ICICI Bank, we see that usually ICICI and SBI जैसे banks work at a negative financing margin, whereas IREDA works at a positive margin of 35%, which means इससे technically उन बैंक से better valuations मिलनी चाहिए. And SBI, for example, trades at about 0.2 times its book value, loan book value. So IREDA को हमें at least उससे double valuation तो देनी ही चाहिए. At that, it becomes about a 1 lakh crore का market cap for this company. That means इसका stock price would be at around 500 rupees, which is more than double from here. And even then, I'm being very conservative. I think this stock could very well be trading at about 1,000 in 5 years. So a portfolio stock to buy and hold. Next we have Asian Paints and of course we all know this company. अब Grasim के paints business में introduction से Asian Paints has suffered a little bit. At the same time crude oil prices बढ़े थे तो again Asian Paints suffered. But crude oil prices have receded and Grasim, for me at least, has entered this business at the wrong time. See, we're staring at a recession and usually recessionary scenarios में paints जैसी discretionary spending बहुत कम हो जाती है. So ये entry actually Grasim के लिए बुरी and consequently Asian Paints के लिए अच्छी हो सकती है. Which is why I think that given Asian Paints' track record of beating its competition, we should definitely be investing in the company whenever it gives us a 20% drop, especially in the middle of a bull market. A stock to buy and hold if you are someone who looks for a 14 to 16% CAGR return, which by the way beats Nifty ETF. Next we have Rishabh Instruments and this is a power stock का छुपा रुस्ता. See, this company has a very long track record of making measuring instruments जो almost हर sector में use होते हैं, from FMCG to auto. But इनका सबसे बड़ा benefit आएगा power sector से. See, the government is trying to improve our transmission by reducing the loss during transmission. अब उसके लिए they going to need millions of these measuring instruments, जिसमें Rishabh Instruments is the longest standing and market leader. So बहुत बड़ा windfall इनके पास ही आना चाहिए. इनका recent result बहुत अच्छा नहीं आया था, which is why this stock corrected a little bit. But even with that, इसमें retail ownership has fallen sharply since its listing, currently at about 35,000 investors only. That shows that big investors want to hold this company, that is usually a very good sign for a long-term bull run in a stock, which is why another portfolio stock and a very good time to enter. There are 3 more stocks that I'm planning to buy, and they're from the artificial intelligence space, specifically healthcare. Check this video out to know more about them. I'll see you next time.